Let's make this puff flower. Let's start with a magic ring. Now make 12 single crochets in the magic ring. Now count the number of single crochets so you don't make a mistake. And then let's make a slip stitch and complete round 1. Pull the tail of the magic ring so we can close the center gap. Now to move on to the next row, let's make 4 chains. And here we are going to make a cluster of 3 double crochet. Yarn over and into the same place where we have made the chains. Let's pull the yarn and adjust it to the height of the chains. Yarn over and pull through only 2 loops and let the other loop remain on the hook. We'll do the same again. Yarn over, insert into the same place, yarn over and pull through 2 loops only. Now you have 3 loops on the hook. Repeat the same once again in the same place. So here we have made 3 half done double crochets. Now again we will repeat the same process of yarn over, adjusting the yarn to the height and then pulling out through only 2 loops, and repeat the same process 2 more times. So here we have already completed a cluster of 3 in the first chain and a cluster of 3 in the second chain. So now we will yarn over and pull through the 6 loops. Now there are 2 loops remaining. I will yarn over and pull out through these 2 loops as well. So here I have created a puff. Add 3 chains and then slip stitch into the same place where we have made the cluster. So here one petal we have completed. So we'll repeat the same for all the petals, and for this flower we will be having 6 petals as we have done 12 single crochets in our round 1. With this, we have completed 2 petals. Let's repeat the same for the remaining 4 petals and see you at the end. After we are done with the last petal, let's make a chain, cut the yarn and finish off the flower. Now let's make this green part. To make this, we will make a slip knot and add 4 chains. Now we are going to make a cluster of 4 in the first chain where we have made a slip knot. Exactly the same as we had done for the petals. After completing the 4 half done double crochet, we will yarn over and pull through all the loops and then add 4 chains again and slip stitch. Now to finish this, just make a chain and finish the middle part of the flower. In order to attach this green part to the flower, you can either use a glue or stitch like the way I am doing it over here. After stitching, let's just tie the knots to secure the ends and cut the extra yarn so we get a clean finish. Like, share and subscribe for more such slow and do along tutorials. Thank you.